wearing pants.
Finally, a use for my ballot stuffing robot.
We're never getting into this stuff.
Stuck it.
Clearly mistaken Tails for a lemon.
Don't worry about her. She'll pass out from the pain soon.
You can't kill me.
Get in the hedgehog harness.
Oh, look at the time.
Mustache care and maintenance.
I gotta chop my arm off.
Oh, please don't cut me, Knuckles.
I'm sorry, we're closed.
I've never felt so free.
Fire!
Oh, no, he didn't.
Well, I'm not gonna be Amy this time.
Nice to meet you. She seems nice.
My baby!
My breakfast is plotting to kill me.
I got this.
You eat popcorn when you're depressed, too?
A bruise like a delicate peach. Tainted victory is mine. Pizzazz!
Pizza!
Gosh, you're cute.
You dreamed you were being chased by a giant sock puppet.
Yeah! Kill it with fire! Grab claws connected to the trap jaw. Trap jaw's connected to the scoop maw. Scoop maw's connected to the positively charged resistor coupling.
And action!
And only mildly damaging to my kidneys.
Brought to you by lead-based paint and asbestos. The perfect combination for your baby's nursery.
He got hit in the head by too many horseshoes.
He piffed it.
Do you love it?
I do.
Oh,
The producers are telling me that I don't get paid if we don't finish the show. So let's move on to round 2.
Want to do something foolish?
That's it. I'm firing my speechwriter.
I was expecting some kind of complication.
I gotta water my cat. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that.
it was a tiny bite, but it gave me this crazy dream.
Ha. Oh, knock it off! Stop it! Ow! Ow! Anarchy, baby! Woo! Oops, one too many.
See?
Is trash canning a word?
I think PuppyCon is a fuzzy puppy fan convention. Way to ruin New Year's, dude.
I gotta fire my agent.
Your paperclip necklace pleases me. And you'll never want for comfy blankets again!
Lightning phobia pile.
Shot putting tails across your living room. I work in the fast food industry. We're awesome role models.
White is black and black is white.
A lost child, oblivious to the never-ending sea of despair.
Go away, Amy. I'm not in the mood. Eggman! We've got a brand new Bjorgen Sklargen.
Did I ever tell you about the time I got a